Let's do this in today's Tech Check. Deirdre Bosa is here with a look at what this all is really telling us, Dee, about the AI agent landscape.
Yeah, because there was a lot of back and forth. But the big picture here is that enterprise AI spend, it's not lining up with the early narrative. Companies are leaning into model usage, but they're moving slower on agents. And that context matters as we dig into that Microsoft story. Now, they've pushed back on reports that they cut AI quotas, but not necessarily around slower growth expectations around those agent products. Now, Sam Altman, too, in that code red memo, told OpenAI's team that resources are going to be shifting away from agents to rebuild the ChatGPT, the model experience. So there's this data from Ramp that we found really interesting. It shows that there is another side to this story, and it runs through Anthropic. The startup just posted a sharp jump in business adoption, according to this data, even as OpenAI, still the largest player, is seeing its gains, its momentum settle. Now, the driver for Anthropic is API demand. I'll explain what that is, but it's not agents. Agents are a top-down strategy sold to executives. API is a bottom-up approach adopted by builders within companies. So for investors, it raises this question, was there too much hype around agents? And the spend that we're actually seeing is flowing into model access, and increasingly, that is Anthropic's Claude. Now, agents may still have their moment, Kelly, but they are turning out to be far more complex to roll out at scale than advertised. And that may be why Microsoft, that remember was pushing agents earliest, they went from the early winner in the AI race since ChatGPT's launch 3 years ago to now being the biggest laggard, even behind Amazon and Apple. Isn't that interesting?